Hi guys, here this week piece is a curved side founded. The legs are broken. Is a mid-recent modern piece. It is in pretty good condition. Have some scratch, but nothing big. Has a little bit more here. Miss a piece of veneer here, and need you a new what's this called? I think I need paint or this hardware. Inside in pretty good condition. Need you a good cleaning. The drawers run so smooth. I really love this piece. I'm going to keep the way it is. I'm just go do a light sand and restore this piece the way what it is, because have not the like a lot damages, have like just a little bit. I think I can restore this with a restore product, or maybe I can restain. Let's go to see what I'm doing with this piece. Let's go to start. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie. To this video I'm going to work on this beautiful boy I found on the side of the road for free. Is in pretty good condition and has the broke legs, but I really love the way it is. I'm going to keep the same look, just I'm going to restore. Let's go to start this one. Do a good cleaning with dish soap. Now need to leave this overnight for dry and come back tomorrow. This dry overnight. I'm to go pour the back on it. Well done. I really love the easy project this is. I love the look, keep the same look. I'm just paint the hardware in vintage gold, clean up very well and pull back on the legs. And I really love nothing wrong with this dresser. I really love. Here guys, the sneak peek for next week. Video will be cool next week, no miss next week. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next week. Bye guys.